Hello everyone, welcome back to Quick Fix. In today's video, we are going to learn how to link your email to your Instagram account. We'll begin by opening the Instagram app. Tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner and tap on the three lines at the top right corner. Tap on Account Center, Personal Details, Contact Info. Now tap on Add New Contact. Add email address. Now select the account you want to link your email to and enter your email. Now enter the confirmation code that has been sent to your email. Note that it's very necessary to link your email to your Instagram because it will help you reset your password whenever you forget it. Now your email has been successfully connected to your Instagram. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on the notification.